Brandon, what type of routine or exercise do you recommend for a skinny guy like me to do in your house, for example?
In your house? What's the goal?
My goal is to get bigger.
Bigger, you want to get big, you want to get as big as possible. Now, all right, so this is what you do, just for real quick, if you want to work out at home. What you want to do is, you want to, when you're ready to work out at home, right? If you sit up and you want to put on as much muscle as possible, put on your workout clothes, like pay attention, put on your clothes, put on your shoes, tie those up, and then walk to the fucking gym, man. Like, it's just like, you can build muscle at home, but it's gonna be slower. It's just gonna be slower, unless you buy a fucking weight set, right? Like I have dumbbells at the crib that go up to 100 pounds each, right? Like that's one option, but it's just not optimal. Like if you're serious about putting on as much muscle as possible, then you need weights. You can still build muscle with just calisthenics. It's gonna take longer because you can't manipulate the weight as effectively. You know what I'm saying? So like, you should really get a gym membership if you're serious and focus on compound movements. I like full body workouts or upper lower splits. The most I would split would be push-pull legs. Kind of split. That's like the most I would split it up. Work each body part at least twice a week. Yeah, make sure you get body weight in 10 times 20. That's your calories and a gram of protein. You should be all right.